Hello guys and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the screen goes randomly black in Windows 11, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just simply open up the search bar on the bottom left and go ahead and type in Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, you can make your way over to Display Adapters. From Display Adapters, you can right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then you can either choose Search Automatically for drivers or Browse My Computer for drivers. I recommend doing the first one. But anyways, that's the first method. Once that's done, you guys should be good to go. The second method you guys can try doing it is from the GeForce Experience app itself, and this is only if you have NVIDIA. And if you are on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or just go to Google and just manually install it by just typing in AMD latest driver, or whatever your GPU is, latest drivers. I forgot exactly how it works, but yeah. But anyways, go over to drivers. I recommend you doing it from the app itself. Anyways, yeah, go over to drivers, hit check for updates. Look for if you have any updates. If you don't, then you're good. If you do, then go ahead and update your drivers. It will say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, and that should also help fix the issue. And then the third thing you guys can do is simply just restart your PC, and that should also help fix the issue. Now, once you do all of these methods, you guys are good to go and you're all set. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.